Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add TikTok link to Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So right now I'll show how to add TikTok video link to Snapchat, also how to add TikTok profile link to Snapchat. So for example, I want to add this video link to my Snapchat. So all I have to do is just tapping on the share icon and tapping on copy link, and to share your profile link, open your profile and tap on this three line icon to the right hand corner and tap on settings and privacy, and now tap on share profile and tap on copy link. So once you copied your video or profile link, open your Snapchat and now take a snap, and here you'll find a paperclip icon, so tap on that and paste here the copied video or profile link here and tap on allow and tap on this link and now tap on attach to Snapchat. And here we can see I successfully added my TikTok to Snapchat. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.